All right, so now we have the batteries connected, the fuses are pushed in, it's ready to go, but it's not going to show up yet because we haven't selected the battery yet. So we have to come down here to advanced settings. We have to go in. We have to go down to battery control. And we have to select the battery. All right, so right now it says no battery up there on the screen. Now we're going to go and cycle through. B-Box HV, that's what the BYD is. All right, and we'll just select this, and this is fine. And we'll just take those are just basic settings, and we're going to wake up the battery. It says it's done. All right, now we're going to go back out and take a look. The COM is okay, so that means now it's communicating. Let's go look in the information here, and we're going to go down to BMS information. And we're going to see that the battery's voltage is showing up now, 425.7. Great, now we're good. All right, now we're still waiting here. Look at that. It's COM okay. Now we hear clicks inside the unit. Here, see the operation flashing. Now we're solid on the green. Now you see the solar starting to kick up. And we have the battery state of charge. Now when we hook up this battery initially, the state of charge number isn't going to necessarily be correct. So it's going to actually have to go through a charge cycle. Right now we're charging the battery very heavily. So all the solar is now going to charging the battery. Once it reaches a full state of charge, then it'll reset and recalibrate its maximum and then go into its normal cycling from there. But right now you can see that all the solar is going into charging the battery.